In 1911, a train vanished in Italy, never reaching its destination. The Zanetti train, carrying 106 passengers, entered a tunnel and disappeared. Witnesses claimed it was swallowed by a mysterious fog. Only 2 passengers returned, claiming they had jumped off before the train vanished. They spoke of a strange, timeless realm. Was it a time warp or a parallel universe? The train was never found, leaving a haunting mystery. This event sparked countless theories and inspired tales of the supernatural. The Zanetti train remains a symbol of the unknown, challenging our understanding of reality.